Namaskar from your Sanmitra, Sustainable Mitra, Hydrogenwala. Friends, can you think of the most polluting hydrocarbon which is responsible for driving global economies across the globe? And yes, your answer is right, it's oil. Objective of today's knowledge snippet is to share hydrogen applications in the oil and gas industry, both current and potential, and also share some of the decarbonization levers for oil and gas industry. Please refer slide here. It shows 4 potential applications of the hydrogen in the oil and gas upstream industry. Have you ever thought hydrogen could be used for enhanced oil recovery? Yes, hydrogen can be injected into oil reservoirs to improve overall well productivity. Further, hydrogen can help reduce viscosity of oil and ultimate recovery of hydrocarbons. Hydrogen can be used for downhole heating applications in oil and gas wells to prevent wax deposition. We all know fracking made US net exporter of oil. Hydrogen has application in fracking of oil. Hydrogen can be used as an alternate fracturing fluid in the hydraulic fracturing operations to stimulate production of oil and gas from tight reservoirs, thereby reducing water usage. Hydrocarbon can be used for pipeline purging and leak detection in oil and gas transmission and distribution systems. Hydrogen can be injected into pipelines to displace air and purge residual gases, facilitating safe maintenance and inspection activities. One more question. Is coal more polluting or oil? Until last year it was coal, but now according to International Energy Agency 2022 report, oil has displaced coal. Emissions from oil grew even more emissions from the coal, rising to 11.2 gigatons. And this is really a concern for all of us. Hydrogenwala recommends 5-pronged strategy for decarbonization of oil and gas, as shown in the slide here. Implementing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, geothermal for powering exploration activities can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Another angle is electrification. Electrification of drilling used in exploration activities can reduce reliance on oil and gas and lower carbon emissions. Another major source of oil and gas emissions is methane leak. So if we work on the methane leak, reduction of the methane leak, that can be a great boon for the environment. Exploring and adopting alternate fracturing fluids such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen or nitrogen foam in the hydraulic fracturing operations can reduce water usage and mitigate environmental impacts associated with hydraulic fracturing. Time is opportune to start replacing oil with hydrogen as a preferred mobility fuel to reduce scope 3 emissions. To sum up, hydrogen has several potential applications in the oil and gas upstream industry, starting with well productivity to leak detections. Environmentally cautious industries are looking at improving the carbon performance of the oil and gas industry, and hopefully oil and gas industry metamorphose itself into a different industry in decades to come. Please share, like, subscribe this video. If you find it interesting, please share with your colleagues and your friends. Jai Hind, all the best, and see you soon.